Outotec has developed FloatForce, a new flotation mixing mechanism which is now available as an upgrade. The FloatForce upgrade helps you to improve your existing flotation performance levels. The mixing mechanism disperses air into the slurry, pumps slurry, keeps solids in suspension, and creates the right circumstances for bubble-particle collision. The mechanism has a direct effect on your concentrator's operational profit. The FloatForce upgrade includes the hardware and services such as pre-engineering, installation supervision, and startup support. FloatForce mixing mechanism's design features result in benefits such as improved air dispersion, recovery of larger particles, reduction of rotation speed, longer wear life. The FloatForce proven values have pushed flotation past older boundaries by allowing flotation operators to become more flexible in their operation. An increased concentrator operation profit due to higher recovery. Lower operation costs due to quicker maintenance and longer wear life. A lower rotation speed results in more sustainable flotation operation. Results show that it's possible to affect flotation metallurgical performance with Outotec FloatForce. The same results can be achieved with lower power consumption. Improved wear life decreases maintenance and spare part costs.